Hey everyone, my name is Alicia and today I'm here at TORC Waterfall. This waterfall lies at the base of TORC Mountain in the Killarney National Park from Killarney in County Kerry, Ireland. There is an interesting story why this place got the name TORC. So the word TORC is from the Irish translation of a wild boar, and the area is associated with legends involving wild boars. One legend man who was cursed by the devil to spend each night transformed into a wild boar. But when his secret was revealed by a local farmer, he burst into flames and disappeared into the nearby Devil's Punch Bowl on Mangerton Mountain, from which the Owen River emerged to hide the entrance to his cave beneath the TORC Waterfall. I was surprised when I got to know this story. Let me know in the comment section if you are surprised as well. And finally, the wait is over. Here is the absolute stunning TORC Waterfall. It is a 20 meters high and 110 meters long waterfall, which is formed by the nearby Owen River. It is one of the popular sites on the Ring of Kerry and the KERRY Way tours. So are you ready to hear the loud, thundering, yet peaceful sound of this waterfall? Just beside the waterfall, you will see a series of steps ascending into the scenic woods. Continue climbing these stairs and you will walk through the forest until you come to a view of Muckross Lake in the middle of a switchback. And yeah, that's me. After climbing those stairs, I was exhausted. And here I'm just pretending to be happy for the sake of camera. Also, I was telling it to myself that I'm gonna complete this hike today. This hike is approximately of 8 to 9 kilometers. So after hiking for a few kilometers, I saw this beautiful view of Muckross Lake. The nature is breathtaking and there are many opportunities to relax and enjoy the beauty. If you will continue this hike, you will be rewarded with mesmerizing and stunning views over Muckross and lakes of Killarney. Be prepared to spot some attractive red deer in the area and some wonderful wildlife creatures. I literally had no energy left, so I decided not to hike anymore, instead to take my car and drive to Muckross house. Watch this video till end to see some beautiful videos and pictures of the waterfall and Muckross house. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content.
Taking my time, giving to me. Paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of instead.